Hey there, and welcome to today's video. Today, we're going to talk about meal prep ideas for busy people. It's a struggle to stay healthy when you're on the go. But with these 7 easy and healthy meal prep ideas, you'll be able to stay on track with your health goals. So, let's dive right in. Breakfast. First up, we have breakfast. A lot of us tend to skip breakfast because we're rushing out the door in the morning. But it's the most important meal of the day. One idea for a healthy breakfast is overnight oats. All you need to do is mix rolled oats with your favorite milk, add some chia seeds, and let it sit in the fridge overnight. In the morning, add some fresh fruit on top and you're good to go. Snacks. Next up, let's talk about snacks. It's easy to reach for a bag of chips or candy when we're feeling peckish. But there are healthier options out there. One idea is to prep some veggies like carrots, celery, and cucumber and pair them with hummus or Greek yogurt dip. Another idea is to make your own trail mix with nuts, seeds, and dried fruit. Lunch. Moving on to lunch. We have a simple yet delicious idea, a salad in a jar. Start with some lettuce or spinach, add some chopped veggies like bell peppers, cucumbers, and tomatoes. And top it off with some protein like grilled chicken or boiled eggs. When you're ready to eat, just pour some dressing on top, shake it up, and enjoy. Dinner. For dinner, we have a classic, roasted veggies and chicken. Chop up your favorite veggies like broccoli, sweet potato, and Brussels sprouts, add some chicken breast. Season with some herbs and spices, and roast it in the oven for about 30 minutes. It's a simple and nutritious meal that's perfect for busy weeknights. Dessert. Finally, let's talk about dessert. Yes, you can still enjoy something sweet and healthy at the same time. One idea is to make a fruit salad with your favorite fruits like berries, mango, and kiwi. You can also add a dollop of Greek yogurt for some creaminess and protein. And there you have it, 7 easy and healthy meal prep ideas for busy people. Remember, meal prep doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. With a little bit of planning and prep work, you can have delicious and nutritious meals ready to go throughout the week. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more healthy meal prep ideas and wellness tips.